Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to rename your PC while using the nearby sharing, right? So in order to do this, right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and simple click in settings. Now on the left hand side you want to click on system, then click on nearby sharing, and here you will see under your device is discoverable as, and towards the right hand side you will see rename. So simple click on that and you will be asked to enter a device name. So I can simply write, for example, Drew PC or something like that, and just click on save. And here you can see now my computer name has changed to Drew PC, something more meaningful. So if you'd like to learn how to change your device name, this is how you do it for the nearby sharing. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.